A big mistake that I see a lot of business owners make on their website is to make it all about themselves, and they're talking about us and our services and we've been around for X amount of years and all that sort of thing. You need to flip that sort of language around and make it all about the customer. So talk about their needs and how you can give them the results that they want, and talk about how you go about doing that, but not making it all about you and your company and that sort of thing. So flip all of those we, I, our sentences into you and your sort of language. Even on your about page, you shouldn't make it all about you. You should make it all about how you help them. And so you can talk a bit about yourself, but always relate it back to how that helps them, not just straight up history of your company. If you need help with sort of focusing that language on your website, you can get a website audit from us or book in a strategy consult with me and we can go over it. Cheers.